Hello everyone, this is Learn Swahili with Connie and welcome. So today we are going to do the Swahili prepositions and I've divided them into two, the simple prepositions and complex or compound prepositions. So the simple are these one word prepositions and then the complex are these more than one word preposition, and the complex will be in the next video. So these are the simple prepositions. Number 1, mpaka or hadi, until, as far as, up to. Example, nitasoma hadi chuo kikuu, I'll study up to college. Tutakula mpaka mshangae, we will eat till you guys get surprised. Atatembea hadi kisimani, he will walk up to the well. Nitaongea mpaka mwalimu afike, I will talk till the teacher arrives. Kimbia hadi pale, run up to there. Cheza mpaka uchafuke, play until you get dirty. So I'll repeat some. Nitasoma hadi chuo kikuu. Chuo kikuu is college or university. Chuo kikuu. Nitasoma hadi chuo kikuu. Nitaongea mpaka mwalimu afike. You can also make your sentence in the comments below so that we can see how you are going with it, if you are getting it, and we'll learn together, and that will be great. Bila, without, and na is end. Na. Example, anaongea bila kikomo. He talks without stopping. Or you can say, anaongea bila kunyamaza. He talks without keeping quiet. Anakuja na mamake. He is coming with his mother. Mamake is from mama yake. We have a video in this channel about the nouns and possessives joining together, like mama yake to mamake. You can check it in this channel. Sitafaulu bila wewe, I won't succeed without you. Alinunua mayai na mkate, she bought eggs and bread. Anakimbia bila nguo, she is running with no clothes on. No clothes on, it is also called uchi. You can say anakimbia uchi, running with no clothes. Tunacheza na yeye, we are playing with her. Nina maswali bila majibu, I have questions with no answers. Then we have kutoka, tokea, or toka. From or out of, where you are coming from. Example, ninatokea nchi ya Kenya, I come from Kenya. Tunatoka jijini Nairobi, we are from Nairobi city. Wanatokea mashambani, they are from the province. Alisema anatoka Urusi, he said he is from Russia. Wanadada wale wanatokea Afrika. Those ladies over there, because we've used wale, those ladies are from Africa, or those ladies come from Africa. Mtoto huyu anatoka Uchina. This child comes from China. Number 4, kama. As or if or like, and then tangu is since a long time ago. Example, anaongea kama mzee, he is speaking like an elder. He is speaking in a way of the elder people, kama mzee. Nimemjua John tangu kitambo or tangu zamani. I have known John since long ago. Kitambo is long ago, kitambo or zamani. That's why some stories will start with hapo zamani za kale, long time ago. Usijifanye kama dadako hapa. Don't act like your sister here. You can also make sentences in this section, and we are going to check them. Don't worry, you will be right. Kisha, then, and then. And then we have kwa. A video about kwa is already in this channel. So kwa has many uses. To know more about the uses, check the video. Kwa, by, to, by means of, for, with, on. Nawa mikono kisha unywe uji wako. Wash your hands, then drink your porridge. Anatembea kwa haraka. He is walking fast. Maliza kusoma, kisha ulale. Finish reading, then sleep. Anacheza kwa daraja. Or you can say anachezea kwa daraja. Or you can say anachezea darajani. We also have a video about the ni suffix. And katika, in. Katika can be translated into different ways according to the context. It can be used in reference of both time and space. When used in reference of time, it indicates location exactly as the locative suffix ni. We already have a video about the locative suffix ni. When an adjective or demonstrative is used with a noun, only the construction with katika is used. Like sokoni, in the market, is the same as katika soko, in the market. But when used an adjective or demonstrative, you should use katika. Like katika soko kubwa, in the big market. You can't say sokoni kubwa, so you'll use katika. Katika soko lile, in that market, you can't say sokoni lile. Okay? When used in reference of time, example, katika safari yetu tulikula maembe. During our journey, we ate mangoes. And then we have the last one. These are the most common used prepositions. Hata, even or until. Example, sitakufa njaa, nitayala hata majani ya miti. I won't die hungry, I will eat even the leaves of the trees. And then hata kama is even if. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you may support us by subscribing to our channel, commenting, liking and sharing our videos so that we can continue making these similar videos which will help you to learn more Swahili, and you are going to improve. Thank you so much. Until we meet again. Bye.